and plenty more.
We hear they all about the country, but you self help for being the use that you area.
We use the original program where they give you updates.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, I get use.
Where use? You get use?
Yes, Dan, I get use.
Well, Formula 1 for welcome you to the program. Where use? The program where they bring information come to you. And also, even that also outside this country, you have to take part. And the only way for do it.
And for continuing for watch your television, the number where you see, you can text you, go read your message inside the program, or better still, go on our Facebook page and drop your comments in there.
What it will be your voice?
My voice.
Inside the program today, well, something be na Mabwe. We one man, of course, he driving with. They are let's say he driving with. So something happened, but you go know later. And then 2015, flood evicting them. Well, instead a peaceful protest and they call on the authority them for looking inside them case. We will take a look at activities them around Sambagota. Then Baffin River, na Bense Chiefdom, where the link between Sando and Farabat Chiefdom, they need urgent attention because the bridge already collapsed. Police Inspector General Ambus Michael Sobula, he talk on new promotion. This and more plus other things that will be country inside the program. We use Mina than Mosey.
William Wise, na my name.
We'll go for a short break and jump sponsor.
Your bank along with you everywhere you go. No need to stress when you don't have cash on you. With Mion FLCB Visa debit card, you're able to access your money, pay for goods and services, shop and send money online via ATM and POS devices in Sierra Leone and worldwide. It is convenient, secure and easy. SLCB, delivering value.
One for start with this, so we will go na the western area where districts, Watalo, Mabure community. Usai, according to allegation where this woman make, he say a man drive and come on a house. You know, tap there, he pull the roof all for make the woman all get away for tap na that particular house there. What serious he say? Be there and this woman explain more to her inside this interview.
Name na Josephine Kaba. Not to today, now from the 9th of August, when on Sunday, I've been get Finega and a Baptist church, I've been there in a church. Now, the Peking go call me. We've been there for the service. Now I say, auntie, he said, then they on roof the house. Now I say, you know, Sabi there. Now I say, He say, I'm not Sabi there. He said, then just can't, then they pull the zinc in the house. Now I left the service, I can't. I don't even go again. Well, I can meet them down on roof the house. I don't meet them here. But then tell me, say, now the man with me into the say, I send them for on roof the house. When I pull me in a Guinea from 2013, he faced me Canada. He say me na him wife. He carry hand over me to people there. I then at this compound from 2013 till now. You know, if he inform me where they send people then for come and roof the house. They were out ready for call. They switch the phone off.
So wetin happen really with
Me I don't know because me to no get palava. I know they call her. I don't know. I know they go outside there. I know sabi.
but if the parents house to her?
I know they pay house rent. He first me kaya. He say me na him wife. Na Guinea he go pull me. I know sabi nobody na ya. Na pass me picking there. He married me. He first me can. He show me to people them back say, look me wife. I don't first and I ain't get here na here if for day.
So presently now where the place they leak, so who say you they sleep?
Now inside the me picking there the rest.
Because they see the place sick, the place all water don't take over the place, the rest all also.
Where time come with the firm tapoli, me picking there just like how you see that phone. We climb up there now they with the cedar we cover we self with the tap.
So you don't ever go to police?
Yes, I don't go there from that Sunday day. I don't go late statement to the police. The police don't call. He said he call them. He said they come. Since from Sunday till now, I'm not able to see them. Nobody not able to come say, hey, na this, na that. Once let government investigate totally, because not to me place this, not to my country. I not be willing for Kana Salon. I not be willing. Fiona, he beg me and he signed me paper back. Now school, me not been teacher. In self no. Now him go write for me resign paper. First me can I dey cry to the person who go want help me. Do ya? Let it fight for me. I don't get mama ya, I don't get papa ya. I don't get nobody where they cry for me right now.
You know, me I don't care. Whatever. But some man bad.
And the most important thing, you insist in terms
I tell you.
like this.
Anyway, there you go. 2015 flooding victim then, they staged a peaceful protest and then they call on the authority then. Mosi Sisi get the story.
Mr. Seka M. Conte, chairman for flood victim. Well, what to make I call SLBC, I'm going there from 2015. Now then this year we just see set of people and come and see this land and then get left here.
First of all, who say not be there when they can put on?
Well, we there this long area now. We been that disaster 2015 flood victims. So now that water they in problem we been.
Whose area wanna come out?
Well, we been there don't call water we been come out. See bro.
Okay, so why they want to pull on today?
But we don't know why they want to pull on today. You see, we don't know, and the incident it happened now before lands. You see, so they can't slap me now.
The people go want to know that this empty land or na the pan body is want to come out.
Well, they say the pan body and the bush all come out because in don't bring surveyor. Then they can survey all from the pan body all of a sudden they take outside and build them permanent structure. Then take also plan to cast and they all nobody know for go na bush again. Then say anybody then see then a problem not to get the place left here. Two is not left now a problem. So they go to the government say let the government intervene this issue here. Let them come in. Let them if in a Kamal get the place, okay. If in a Kamal get the place, not a problem. Let government locate to other side.
Me na Mr. Temu Kamara. I then a 6 mile flood victim camp. Yes, this now we don't see no more now. We don't now we been get the flood in 2015. Me where they talk to now, me na they need na they habitat. Na they water be pull we where the past government be relocate we na ya. Then Pambodia na they can put we they promise we say 6 months that they before we permanent house there. So then Pambodia where you see so in each Pambodi now 2 family they do single room na 1 family. You get 10 picking now na 1 room now you get. So run then I have from 2015 till now. Now the 5 years this. Now all the 10 and the old on there nobody no grab claim this land as a now get here. Government we don't come with we now. Now we don't see people that don't come say na get here. they don't come and so all this land here. So this we don't doubt we. Government na continuity. If the past government don't count we dey cry to this government. Now make we come out today. We dey cry to this government. Let them come see to we.
Well, and so beyond that, we dey go na Sambagota, Usai. We go back at the end. Now we see what we pull come out today during this season 10.
Water the pass is go. But one thing no more now. A lot of people are really happy now for the say they stop for eating and so we already know water the pass free door.
So that make you put it on.
Really people from far away. To the chair. Take so maybe water can you can end water let out yourself. We possible to actually see what I see.
Well, me na ni mana speak me born. Na dem me born. Na don't be me and my parents and my papa. Now they give me beauty for this water. It's not Portuguese and they build this water. Me I know that and I don't forget that here. Portuguese and they build this water. It's a woman there. Ni mana tito mufaya. The water no me dey ambo. Because the people in there around now they will dey see it. You know, but recently now when the clock not there again, now inside the water they need to read the water. So it make okay wait yourself now. The dirty they block now, yeah. The water they go past them but they will pick in and them go picking and then they can do they clean the water before the water begin to find smooth one.
But now we see the water they move on, we not see plenty dirty.
Hey, because right now they mobilize them but the way they up here here all then they clean the water. What if the water be dirty be full of now? Now the can at them be full of ash.
But this are here in a tradition, here out. So means say as the artist in Cali dirty they pass it back. What you like to do?
Well, when they put the bubble in the candle and they clean the water.
Okay, we go Kono right now as the Baffin River and the Nawili Nagbese Chiefdom with a link between Sando and Falaba Chiefdom need serious attention because they get one bridge with the marriage with the link the area and it don't collapse. So go listen to Dr. Kumar for telling more.
The Baffin River na water where they connect Benson Chiefdom for go over Sando Chiefdom. People wait up na these two chiefdom here so we don't use boat and other local material for construct this long bridge here so when we don't puel and people them pass the use local canoe for cross over for go Sando Chiefdom or for come inside Benson Chiefdom. People wait up na Kwako village inside Benson Chiefdom. We get this for say.
As I tell unaona back when I don't see now, out in the go. You need to strain. Then they say all back them for doing inside the water. You see the youth man in the stream from Kwako, Sando, Onaba Kunaisi. When that time we back now help we need because Onaba Kunaisi. Anything we plan now, we Sando then now we make them.
Well, the strain and the bridge don't well. The Bella woman there with the one couch there in our hospital place now the boat back Sunday the water can flop, you need to able to cross. So they strain too much. So sick man there then can one couch in our hospital, but when all day the water flop a smack. So Uba could they strain if one who put them die over side for one go they will not able to get chance for go.
The water is affected really. The water, we picking them for can school, you know, we better woman them where they're ready for labor overside. They give we maybe cut off big torsion because sometimes when they come if na night na sometimes if you post not in the water side, pass will let the woman that born or either son they give struggles so woman and they die.
Same like this, where the rain don't sit down better one. People like afraid for use the local canoe for cross come over. It's a Bense chiefdom. But no way no day pass they use the canoe because the bridge door and bow. One Okada rider we don't take 9 years where they use this road. Me tell me, what is the experience?
I go back to Falabas and Law and we recover there. But we face a lot of constraints than at this road because one, the bridge. That will bridge if we say if the help with Panande it go better for we the bike man then. Because we don't try very hard, we don't contribute for that we make boat bridge. But still, we water can they can't go the boat bridge. So we don't try this of bikes them for run inside water. We have 5 bikes. We try for pool and the money we spend back a boku. So we they tell the media for let they help we with the stakeholders them. Let they help we for make this bridge now. Because the road is very short from here to Guinea. We can go Banya, we they go boku size and where we feel say we they able run.
Sir Moiba, na person we can use in canoe for cross people them from Kwako village for go over Sando chiefdom. Instead me share a experience to me.
The challenge obviously like how I'm them because at the big man how they suffer. Because if you really know the portion of no can then cross right they see now as you use manual. You don't share for code they do the for if the thing I did na permanent. So that they open them so about the property government any kind of the big if you happen back to the land. And the problem obviously accident they happen. Put the little number, put the belly woman, get people the OBC, the no service or no service fee, then by the no service fee, and 2 by the left and tradition.
Ways, me na Dauda Kama report from Kwako, the crossing point to Sando Chiefdom.
We're plenty thank you to we own station manager Dauda Kamara Kono for we put that particular package together. Imagine that bridge day, we need urgent attention. We will continue the rest of the program. We use the Inspector General of Police, Ambrose Michael Sovola, don't talk say then go begin to do new promotion then. If the talk is go work at the OSD headquarters na Kinhama Road, Freeton, don't need to talk about the part of this worker, make we hear it.
The Chief Executive of Southern Police. You recruited there? Yes! The Deputy Inspector General of Police. I think I say as a kind people because when I work very difficult, I can understand. And when you are there, you will provide security for the minister, for the member of parliament, for the judges, for doing VIPs in this country, day and night 24/7, yes, still we can still carry down. So I think I will thank you for kind of doing because when I will do a very great job. If somebody do a great job, you need protocol. If you don't get nothing for them, tell them say you are being good, so that if you do not get the ability for you to make you feel happy, other people will know so. Now good person, so tell them will help you for making you happy. The drawback of rice, it will come very soon. 15,000 on the procurement of the and when the OSD press, without the no use, no public order gear, as in the work on the street, made them know say, this is for man. His Excellency the President don't talk so, the police will be happy. We are not happy for that. Because na the commander-in-chief, when na him with the serve and his government and the people of this country, we will do that without favor and biasness. We don't try for make we get public order equipment and we not to arm and ammunition, maybe not to leather weapon, so that your work will be very effective, efficient, dressing, so that somebody is told me will be reaching. I choose for can talk to now for one or two things. One on our welfare. The welfare and the shifting of police in ranks. Our predecessors, Mr. Kino, they collapsed our ranks from 19 to 9. When if we don't make sometime 1 year, 2 years before they do promotion. And if that happens, with the final difficult, somebody don't work 2, 3, 4 years in other promotion, it will become more. It is not one rank. Like every that man they introduced me, say I did 13 years for one rank. That 13 years, people if you say that in name, Ambrose, now in a couple. So even when I don't be IG, somebody they come from London and say, hey, come so how to go now, how to go now? I say, so brother come out to tell him, say, don't go now IG. He said, but that is his first name. I said, no, not only my first name, but I don't tell you no more. So you see, you can imagine how much I've been bored, but I endure. We don't sit down as management level. We try for rebuild the ranking system again, so that every year we will be able to give promotion. Like Corporal, Chief Inspector, we will bring in the rank like Sergeant Major, DSP, Assistant Commissioner of Police, Commissioner of Police.
Okay, they now open a book of condolence for the resident Bishop Late of the United Methodist Church Salon, Bishop John K. Yambasu, women died by road accident Sunday, August 16. Well, the ceremony, Cynthia Kamara Bimbi, part of farm, Wade and Duna King Memorial, United Methodist Church, Regent Road, Freetown. Them and family member them the United Methodist Church, bishop them, pastor them, reverend them, and party them, we gather for honor the late Bishop John K. Yambasu. Well, Bishop John K. Yambasu, na man, we na God person, we na been president for the Council of Churches Salon, vice president Interreligious Council, vice president General Board of Global Ministry, Chancellor of African University, Zimbabwe, and others like them. We been give a message. Reverend Francis Charlie, Dean of the Bishop Cabinet UMC, he said the late man he give in one life to the church. He said nobody not go able for imagine, say then go able for gather for sign book of condolence for Reverend Yambasu, where he referred to as revolutionist and historian. They didn't say, when I get the news say he don't pass away, it sent shock across the one whole country as plenty people take today they not gain consciousness yet, even in wealth. The late man, where leadership begins since 2008, we clearly show say true that God send him because he been left the church bad one. Plenty people be learn beaucoup things about Bishop Yambasu, we na be role model among encompassing bishop them. Plenty people go get for miss am, more in family member them, as he die left 5 picking them anyway.
Well, making so continue for rest now Father Abraham in Bosom. We'll continue the program inside today's London during the rest of the world for celebrate World Photography Day. Well, Julian Mbuya Mosiri puts these reports together.
As today, now World Photography Day, 10 photographers them all over the world, they celebrate the day. And photography starts in the late 1830, na France, then 10 na black and white picture, then be the print, and photography don't play great role in people in life. For example, like where picture will make you see within be done happen before. As technology they improve every day, now colored picture then they print, and now the picture will not be the same. According to reports, we go worker now the Sierra Leone Union of photographer the office now at alone, we find out say some people prefer for use phone camera than them photographer the young camera. Abubakar Fuller, now the chief whip for photographer them now at alone, he say it don't take 26 years for this business, and a day it support any family.
We put film, yeah, we snap, we go na lab and develop and get negative. Now the negative this, okay, so people they show admire how them people they do this job here. We snap and film, they go then develop them and print, we come with fine picture to customers them. So people they show admire, but now inside the 2009 to 2010 we can't understand say digital don't reach in a salon.
We'll be talk to a member when a Sheriff Kamara will be tell we how phone camera don't about them work.
The advantage is Baku, you are already facing right now because during the negative what we make and with the analog, not all man sabi. But this hour now when we try to get digital, as the snap out they say I'm now phone the all don't come out. So now this advantage now we facing now. Now people they call you for married you know they get nothing because the old system all don't go.
Same way so, we'll be talk to one customer more like camera. Why he pick the photographer and camera than phone camera?
Because besides for staff, they take the quality of photography than the picture of the phone we use. When they watch them on screen, they see great difference. Because the photographer they only very unique and the one way they snap on the phone.
The photographer them, they ask for our government and Ministry of Information and Communication for make them go help them and then big institution them. For Wayus, Julian Dumbuya and Mosiri Sise send these reports.
Okay, well, for SECA, the celebration, Judge Louis take other different routes and make sure say you go talk to the president and some other people. Well, let's listen to him.
Bina Stephen Momo, National President of the Photographers Union. This year for World Photographers Day is very unique. Unique in the sense it coincides with the 20 years anniversary as a union. So the aspect of this year World Photographers Day is so unique that we all over the country they celebrate them. All over the country don't look at the importance of photography. All over the country don't know say photograph is very much important. So with this year celebration, it's about giving credit to one there where they don't help with so much along the line when we don't establish union for 20 years. Also, the activities they start from this August to December because by December all the one they go for gift prize, including the late president Tijan Kaba of blessed memory, which said this union, the former president Dr. Ernest Krumah, now possibly we get passion for photographers then the current president now make today as the first gentleman the first assignment of photographs so one make that the whole world know today is about changing the image within a doctor of the president. But rather unfortunate, the rain don't come, we're not able to do them. But let people rest assured say that portrait we did for now, either by tomorrow or next tomorrow, we will give another new face to the president, a portrait by Eastern Police.
We now demand force looking for snap for making embassy. me Asan, little Asan na lafatu. Na media can go the wa open yanda. Na IMAT, go the wa open and command. Na media call Utmulaki because all be needing. Wait tell me for snap me Asan only check for the snap for American embassy 2 by 2 size. Na me na the first man go the open and call we all sit down together and about that. So phone na for talk. Them big who put camera panam, let their phone themselves. But we want professor snapping.
Well, you don't say. Then they town central and we say we dey open a town central and a bank of Sierra Leone. So most of them emergency pictures, then passports, they can't take them because as you see, then they do a very good job. And the pictures are very nice all the time where they can. They up to now today, say where I can for the one.
Well, and so beyond that, the manager and the Anti-Corruption Commission in the Eastern Region still they monitor the ongoing WASC exam when they carry on that party. Safa Moriba, they engage in this interview.
Mina Kefala Koe, Regional Manager na Anti-Corruption Commission East Province, Kenima. We don't go far with the monitoring of the public exam. But before the exam they begin, we will go around the districts. We go to a lot of chiefdom, Nongowa chiefdom, Lower Bambara chiefdom, Dodo, Jalwang, and Jawe, and Manu chiefdom, and Penjebongri. We go to start about 20 schools. We talk to them, the PPs and the teachers, who may not involved in the exam malpractice. We also monitor the Becker and NPSC exam, and it was good. One thing we succeed, we get a stakeholders meeting, and that meeting we agree say non-essential staff, you will not get anything for do with the exam, not for the on campus. And that they will go around and we'll find out say all non-essential staff will not be getting anything for do with the exam. All parents there, they be there off campus and they not be there inside. After that, only during the lunch period they begin their command, they go with they can't inside. They will not suspect any malpractice.
Okay, as head of the anti-corruption na the region, we not really get the required staff for monitor the region?
Well, we not get the required staff for them all the schools there. We not get the required staff for them all the schools there because we get a lot of schools there from Kenima to Koindu. Lot of schools. We get Kenima alone. How many schools did they do? 10 schools or 15 schools. You go Shedoma, you get 4 secondary school. You go Tongo, you get 4 secondary school. You go Bangma, you get 3. You go Daru, Jawa, you get so a lot of schools. You don't get all the required staff. You go talking about Penembo, Kanan. But where your strategy so they put in place, how for monitor the exam. And that we done, even this morning, we plan how go then at Shedoma tomorrow, how go send people in Tongo, or Boijibu, we dey monitor the exam.
Now that WASC self they go on, NPSC we don't go off. How the monitoring self they go?
Well, the monitoring we start yesterday. When are the mass exam? We go to various schools then. We go to Blama, outside Kenima. We go to schools of Kenima, Just Commercial, Ansari Islamic, Government Secondary School, and other schools then. And na Polytech be able to put some people there yesterday. Maybe they answer question with some people during the lunch break between the theory and the objective. So we don't arrest them to get a life card or get the phones there. We dey try for investigate that for see actually if na leakage there be the answer or na other thing there be the plan.
Okay, because now during lunch hours, na Polytech, where in the one way we na hold not to teachers then, na students they help them competent for harder for the answer them questions then. But you see, na they investigate as ACC for tell Famuren whether na a leakage be there or na practice they be the practice. Okay, we don't go. What do you hope for see during this examination really?
Well, during this examination, one thing we won't go around the schools then. What be the tell we say make they study, make they not involved in examination and practice. Because when involved in an examination and practice, now we don't become a law under the Anti-Corruption Act as amended 2019. The penalty is 50 million euros or 1 count charge, or 5 years imprisonment. So if now 2 count, 3 count, the you know you dey pay like 150 million, you go 50 years imprisonment, or concurrently you serve the jail term, or you go concurrently pay the money and go the jail term. So what you dey tell people, make the exam be peaceful, let it be malpractice free, make dem no spy, because in the law who catch you na the law, not to we no go able help you. And the people that say they ask any person involved in an examination malpractice, you be student to, you be teacher or you be invigilator, anybody, as long as you involved, who will catch you in a problem. So now that message they will be rolled out to the PPs there. And that's what see, examination malpractice now a crime, not only a crime but a corruption, a corrupt practice, and not for involving them. Okay, we go Basatong, the youth versus the village headman. Well, this is for Seka community land. Well, follow no more on that, Mosi Sisi and Julian Lumbuya, then get the story.
Being a youth man at the area, and now who they are, they be done broke care for the people. But HM say they can't build community center. But now the youth man and they sit down, do small thing there who they discuss. But if you say they can't build community center now, we not gonna know who side go to it. For now as because government we don't come broke say they don't build. But if you say they can't build community center, so we want for ask who side go to it. And now they sell 5 block or 1 block now who they sell, not they sell but putting the now who they cause problem. So if you come say they can't build community center, so we left 9 hand. So let it know who side they go to it.
Momo Kamara, I live from Platon. This kind of place, I don't know the kind of place for Kamil Community Center because the place is very small, and also the kind of places. How much people will be enter now for come sit down and keep time and talk with you one for talk with them. Then the place is so small, and that kind of place there. Now say the government we don't pay for this place. So they say enough for build nothing to nothing, and example we shall move in front of you. All the talks now. So if you catch up for say the Kamil Community Center, we'll surprise.
We are the Fulaton, we are the Basaton, but I don't think that this community, government they don't pay for ya. So we be don't know for long way they don't know. Then look the pool now, look at the way the country to which I would see on ya. They also the car for can see on ya. And look the place now 15 feet. So no way no they for there. Community center will be not for land not 15 feet na ya. They are na road and okay, government we don't pay for ya now. So now make we no go accept for later community center go dey na ya.
Well, of course, that's why it happen. Like no more we don't kind of run, don't see, you don't interact on 2-3 man and don't give them view. But my own intention now for a big community center for the community, because at least this community. We don't look around, we don't try anytime we know we get community centers. So fortunate to get this land as a community land, as a government land, as a council land. So maybe we want to take that opportunity to let and make like community center there. But you demand them, the way you get no more than the talk, there's still a bounce because of the pro selling 1-2 people have seen them. We are pleased and we call it. But at that then say they're not enough for happen. Place of not a problem for me. If we all here we come to one, they agree for the community center. We if we say now if something when everlasting for we all day alive and the kid will get for born, we then go for the point finger at the top. Every says all the talk so we leader now name no get for pin something when a legacy. Say hey that is now been there, now in this communities Timapia. No not to be get for cast don't they, not to be get for sleeping to side. So now name no more one.
Well, Action for Youth and Children's Network Sierra Leone now about the Executive Director for Health Alert, Victor Lansana Kuma. This they say that because of the good thing them way they do. And a meet up no more today way the world celebrate Humanitarian Day. Francis Danema be the part of this ceremony and puts this report together.
United Nations then put August 19 as World Humanitarian Day.
where this day can reach, organization there across the world can use them for talk to people there for make them go the help the one they will not get, and they encourage the one themselves where be done the help for make them continue. Action for Youth and Children's Network Sierra Leone use this day for recognize people them we don't they help picking them, big man them, and other people them we not able afford. Victor Lansana Kuruma na one party one them where the organization give award. He received the award because of how he done the help picking and young people them for land book and for get well body in the country. Victor Lansana Kuruma, the executive director for Health Alert and National Youth Awareness Forum. He formed Health Alert for help talk for make belle woman them, kumbra and picking themselves get access to well body where they know they pay for whenever they go to hospital. Victor Lansana Kuruma also formed National Youth Awareness Forum for support picking them and young man there for land book. They don't help support them with learning materials and other things them we go make the land book without any problem. Victor Lansana Kuruma don't work as a mentor for Boku organization and young man them. As at the report, Victor na board member na Youth and Children Network Sierra Leone, the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation, and one organization where they for belle woman them, kumbra them, and picking them with the under 5 na Jennifer. It don't serve na Boku Consortium where they talk and support picking and young people there. Where even they receive the award, Victor say the award mean to am say if I work more for help people them will not get.
Proud, I feel honored, and in fact I'm not gonna say I'm surprised because anything we do in this world, you will feel say people that know you or people that they watch you. But there are people where they watch you and they see what you do, and I think that's exactly what in this own show. I didn't mean small corner, but then I know they contribute a lot to promoting young people, serving humanitarian, and making sure that we promote the life of our citizens in Salone. So this award, I think, say that the best time this way I get them, and I feel proud for me. They more than giving me dollars, because this is a recognition. We show your contribution as society.
The organization also began for Guy, the Deputy Minister of Social Welfare, Mrs. Morigbe, and other big allejo them we don't give help to people them within the country. For SLBC we use, Mina Francis Ndanema the reports.
Okay, we go for a short break. We'll come back. Then they will go bring una your side.
Well, quick one, and they were.
Okay, I will start with this. And this now some of the message and this and text and WhatsApp message and cancel the program so far from watch the program. This one say in Mami Saleh, it say they watch we live every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. It say he really appreciate the good work they do for Mama Salone. This one say that man they want suffer that woman them no more from Akim. This other one they come out from side is this on hill station where say not to secret say for trade dirty now big problem where it has to solve now with different community them. He say, dear, we really they suffer, they affect you bad one. This other one say, that man they bad, he thinks say, government for look inside them and in case, fine one. This other they come up back from side is it again at the station where say, some man wicked. He said, this woman also is sorry. He said, he really sorry. He said, the one that will concern for intervene, fine one and in case. This other one say, we use on a tanky for the update to but waiting the happen in the country. This other one say, that must. This land wala also say don't boku na Salone. They say land all man born meat where it be say na for develop, not to for sell. Look what people the facts for them from Mr. Kamara na Gloucester Mama Lane. This one say that most governments need for go inside and make bridge for the people them. And they come out back from Mr. Kamara again na Gloucester Mama Lane. This one say bravo to the Salone police for the good work. So I say we use on a tanky. For where the update we again, bravo back to you, we'll tell you back thank you. Well, as of the message and this way I'm cancel the program so far, over to you Dan and Wise.
Alright, okay. Well, thank you very much, Nendewa, for Of course, you don't turn the microphone to them. But I want for bringing us some tidbits. We get passports now where somebody by the name of George Williams, he fell around Bufis Hotel here. The person named Mohamed Jallo. Mohamed Jallo, his passport is very new, and you just take them, and because in 5 years time now they expire. So we get your passports now, SLBC, come identify them or the passport this.
Alright, from the passport we get Union Trust Bank. This na bank ID card, you name na Isaac Toure. Well, na for come identify them.
Okay, well, this na girl pikiwe when I come out na she name na Aminata Mansari. It is 18 Thompson Bay off Wilkins 09 year, and na Christian. The school where they attend at Thompson Bay Primary School, it is class 1, 9 year. Anyway, he gets round skin, and then he tall, he get round and long, pointed nose, he had a big, a face round in the top chimney. The last time I see me wear a red dress, long one in the top Creole chimney, and the person wearing a class teacher and Mr. Kaloko. From where he command at host over 7 this year, 2 o'clock something, today they not see him. But in case you see him, I will go to Mr. Jamil Dumbuya. In mama name na Mariam Mansari. In papa na Desmond Mansari. Jamil Dumbuya na any men. If you see him, or you can call 099 778-668 or 099-388-992 or from this opportunity at Lumley Police Station.
I reward that. Well, we get one post. This post one at the scene of my hand, as you can see, now one Mrs. Hawa Kabu na encounter. They say they go around James Road, but they around Robert Street, and they do business na 32 Campbell Street up by Mende Church yonder. This post, important thing they inside, where if you when you watch this program and you get them, you go come for identify. But among the thing them, one key thing there than
if you can't show me
that key thing, if you not show me, but we will not say this post particular one here, not till you get them.
Because you know the ID card for sure.
You know the ID card, but you get important something inside.
And so you for describe them.
Yes,
for describe them. Alright, I think to say we will continue. Well, as well for clean the beach, the councillor, the youth them, and of course the beach chair lady, they don't go clean the beach. But Dominic JJ Tucker being caught up send this for you.
My name is Ise. I'm a proprietress of one of the beach bars in Abadi. Let's my beach bar to the side. Because the place of it is so much, the place bushy and not so used for being. We don't use for cleaner every Saturday, but the councillor, you see the good work with the councillor doing a beach. So decide for backing them up so that we go clean the place. So we all come together because I'm a cheerleader for the Abadi Beach Tourist Organization. So I get a man there, we all come together so not clean the place look unique. Then because it's a place where everybody they can. That's why everybody they can place so attractive to people there. So we decided to look clean again or no again. Okay, what do they do? They plan to do trash cans. So that trash can go there all about. So anybody wearing quarter, I know say enough of Iban at the place. So the place go look decent. Sales right now not easy. Not easy at all. Like we before, people that use for floor and tire. When they sit down there, then go to a place for buy one now because they don't allow them for sit down yourself. So sales for we is very, very bad.
Me na Karim Bangura of 443 Aberdeen. Well, that I see
where me and the youth panel, with the support of the honorable, where we come, we say now, honorable permission here, let us get a youth panel, we go clean the beach. So that when I youth panel back when they carry the system, then 30 feet say the correct. Now Aberdeen a touristic area and a tourist zone. Where we the people of Aberdeen, we even call the Minister of Tourism, make give support. Say he make up tourism in this country. And Aberdeen are the mama of tourism in Africa. Go for transform Aberdeen.
Alright, so of course, how this place maintain white people don't get trash can them, so if us not doing white or even use can, go put on inside and
well, that day we try with honorable for now we do them thing and day. You understand? For now the place they all and get trash can them. Yeah, every day, every now and then, especially when they require the transform all the runabout and so we and within Aberdeen. And the big runabout stand and chat back with the help of the mayor when they say come put hand for them we will transform the big runabout. But all this runabout now with the support of me and the honorable.
Bring this to Usai, the Sierra Leone Fellowship of Evangelical Students, don't go give relief item them to the king. Don't go give plenty relief item them to the King Street. So the people then when I offer them at King Street and return. Well, Samuel Abiose Stanley, the part of this, and after that he talked to the General Secretary William Conte inside this interview.
My name is William Yandi Conte, the General Secretary for the Sierra Leone Fellowship of Evangelical Students, LEFIS. Well, it's a felt need, and also for sure say will not become insensitive to the needs of the people. We also say the world and Salone go through hard times, and these hard times not only affect my life, affecting my livelihood, but also they affect my economic activities. So driving in and out of the compound every day, we know that well also, like the office in residence space for the CEO. I realize that there are people within the community where they in their need, where they struggle for look after themselves and their children, and then they make the organization look up on itself and put together a small package for help a few households where are the needy of the.
So how many families are you target?
We target 18 families, households. We get multiple families in the compound. You know, we live in a communal setting where in some houses compound can get about 3, 4, 5 families. So we target each household as a component unit, hoping that every other individual family in that premises will be able to benefit.
So it's not the yam that we provide?
Nothing much. We just help them with bags of rice, hoping that let's say we will turn around now and get something. We hope we could have done more beyond rice. We could only get some more things, but unfortunately that's what we can afford at the moment, and we hope that we able to help them in a couple of days.
You don't start with the Moriton community, but talk about other areas that you have for us.
Yes, the food bank we established, it cater for Jonobe community. Jonobe with students we go there in December on what we call OFE, Operation Faith in Action, and so for medical students from Commerce we do some medical outreach to Jonobe. So we want to do a follow-up, and one of the follow-ups I want to do, we will also save some stock of rice for them. We will care for them for just do a follow-up or no. When last our students visited in December, what had happened again beyond that Potia.
The number they give, me about other.
Yes, we also get Nakambia district, a village called Kasi, Samuchidom. We, as we all know, the government don't try for ensure say the WAS exam start, and there are students we don't converge from different other communities. We are talking to one friend with the Japan would.
Okay, for battle government effort, Yengema Descendant Association Dongo pledge support for develop Yengema Nakono district and then provide food with other things there for help first the COVID-19. Sally should get more.
In Mustafa Kemokonde, the national chairman for Yenda National Union. Yenda, of course, na Yengema Descendants and Development Association, and we come here today. Na Yengema, na we own place where we born, for come give rest to we people there. So now that actually bring we can naya, and we get this particular rest from we within our salon. We brother them and sisters them na America, the end na America, And one we see tobacco, himself na part of we. He go through your organization when I Church of God, then self help me for make we do am. So today we able bring up to 250 bags of rice for the people there in Yengema.
You see, the things that will happen today, they just make a member, you know, waiting Yengema really stand for. The time when me the primary school, where they go primary school in Yengema, now that time the way we get a very, very prominent mining company in this country, they call SLST, Sierra Selection Trust Company. That company, they turned Yengema into a cosmopolitan community because now being the one viable place that where people that can come for fend their living. So people come up from all over this country here, they can Yengema. And therefore, that they get a very positive effect on the people of Yengema. It make we will not know tribe. We don't know the difference between this person and.
Well, after we one document that all lost about Umai Ann, where then came in Obi, I say one for testify. But what you from Nendewa Tawonka?
My name Magdalene Jenny Sisse. Well, Monday I bought keke from Old Market Junction to Lodge. So as I candle, I forget my academics certificate inside the keke.
What's what you did?
I get me college certificate, I get me statement of result, I get me official documents, I get me picking in your own documents, then they like a huge plastic way fill with documents. I get top inside there and everything. I can't use, and later I will use there for call me. Say they don't receive me documents, I feel good. You know, I look at this, I don't know the change. First time some man will see documents, you go just throw it. I begin to worry because when I go able to give them documents here again, that was my concern. But I just want to say big thank you to the way you team for the good job what they do. Because indeed, as they receive the documents, they use their own support, they call me for informing, say, Madam, we don't get your document, they come, and what come, nothing on shop. I see the inside the plastic. That's so I meet everything. I just want to say thank you to the keke driver. Indeed, this also say we still get good people among we.
Okay, well, we just have a good Wednesday phone.
Give him my testimony. I'm killing. Now what's your
Well, so we'll put the cutting down. We hope you enjoy the program. Well, we will do the program.
Your name is William Wise.
Alright, William Wise, production assistant, and tell thanks to all the colleagues. We help for make this program with you. So to go meet back on Friday, inshallah. That must say, make sure say, you don't forget yourself.
take your bank along with you everywhere you go. No need to stress when you don't have cash on you. With Mion FLCB Visa debit card, you're able to access your money, pay for goods and services, shop and send money online via ATM and POS devices in Sierra Leone and worldwide. It is convenient, secure and easy. SLCB, delivering value.
House Smith Sierra Leone is back with season 2 and a whopping